Do you want to be able to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do firstly is to come to my Instagram app, and as you can see I'm currently on my Instagram app right now. So what you need to do after that is to come to your profile right here, as you can see, and the first step in here is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is perfect. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And as you can see, I'm now taken here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to just simply scroll down until I can see where it says help. So click on help in here. It's very important. So click on help. Oh, sorry. I'm going to click on help in here. And as you can see, I'm now taken here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Now, once again, click on report a problem in here. Now I'm going to click on include and continue. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. I'm going to write exactly like this to the Instagram support so that they can actually fix this problem. So we need to write exactly like this to the Instagram support. I'm having issues with my Instagram notes feature, sorry, feature not showing up on my account. So basically, you need to write exactly like this to the Instagram support. I am having issues with my Instagram Notes feature not showing up on my account. Now, when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. So click on send. Basically, what you need to do after that is to wait 1 to 3 business days for Instagram support to fix this issue. And hopefully, after those 1 to 3 business days, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.